welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox and try to review the new Oppo F7. So I got this phone a couple of days ago and I just got time today to really look into this. Although JM has already played with it kasi medyo low EQ siya. It'll be my first time to try the Oppo F7. This is Oppo's newest cell phone. I'm not gonna go into the whole technical stuff because you can already Google that. I'll just put links in the description box below so you know more about its technical stuff. This is the box that it came with. For 64 gig, it comes in 3 colors. There's one in solar red, moonlight silver, and diamond black. The one I have is diamond black, and you should know that if you look behind the box, andito yung color, and mine says it's black. For the F7 128 gig, it only comes in 2 colors, that's solar red and diamond black. So let's go ahead and open this box. So again, I'm not gonna tell you much about the specs and all that. I'll just put that in the description box below. I'll talk more about how actual users use the phone. I have to tell you though, I've always been an Apple user. I've always loved the iPhone. I've never used Androids before, except for Oppo F5, of course. This is how it looks. The phone is here. It's in clear film. Nasa parang protective container siya, like a protective tray. This box has a free, clear Oppo case. It also has a quick guide on how to use the Oppo F7 and another information guide. Along with the unit, you have a charger, mismong saksakan, the data cable over here, and some earphones. I'm sorry, if you see me sweating, it's because it's so hot in the Philippines right now. It has the pin, which you can use to put the SIM card in the SIM card tray of the Oppo F7. So hindi ko na kailangan yun kasi nalagay na ni JM yung SIM card. I got a smart SIM card. Moving on to the cell phone. Removing that from the tray. Ta-da! The phone is full screen, full HD screen. This design is diamond black and hello, you see the camera right there. Nakikita nyo, meron siyang parang diamond structure. It's definitely clear. Ayan o, pag nasinagan siya ng ilaw, meron siyang parang prism, which is really cool. I like that. It's so elegant. It's so classy. I super love the design already. It's a full screen. Wala siyang parang home button. That's still something I'm getting used to because with the Apple phone, there's a home button. But what's nice about the Oppo F7 is that it allows you to maximize the whole screen. So this is perfect for when you want to watch movies or if you're a gamer. Let's switch it on. The power button is right here on the side. And syempre, yung may parang vibrating ek-ek pagbukas mo ng phone. Oppo, the selfie expert. Na-set up na to ni JM eh. Tapos nakakatawa kasi si JM yung nag-set ng facial recognition, ng thumbprint. You could use the facial recognition feature wherein you just save your face. You save your face on the phone so that every time itatapat mo yung phone mo, mag-unlock siya. And another option is the fingerprint at the back. So as you can see, there's this space. Yan yung kung saan mo pwede ipindot yung thumbnail mo so that the fingerprint would be recognized. But of course, there's also that usual feature na you just click that and then it asks you for the password. So let me unlock that real quick. Syempre si JM nakapaglagay na ng password, diba? So cool. I really feel that there's just so much space, no? Nasanay kasi ako sa ganito lang eh. Alam mo yun? But with this, you get the full screen. For a person like me who likes to take photos and likes to take videos, yun talaga yung mga top na features that I look for. Let's quickly look at the camera. The camera is powered by AI technology, which is artificial intelligence. Every selfie photo that you take is 25 megapixels. The front camera yun ha. Now is the time to test the camera. I care so much about the camera. I get iffy with photos na sobrang smudged, but you know, no offense if you like that, that's just me. My personal preference is I want to keep the photos real. When people see me in person, I don't want them to be like, siya yun. What I like about the camera of the Oppo F7 is that it gives you an option to not beautify your photo. So this is the normal photo without any kind of filter. But if you click this head over here, this female head, you have the option to switch on the AI feature, which immediately smoothens the face. And you have options. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have 6 levels of the beauty filter. So kung gusto mo ng sobrang kinis ng skin mo, just go for, I believe it's number 6. But if you want to keep your face unfiltered, just click that option and you should be back to normal. You know how it is on Instagram. You use so many editing apps. Here with the Oppo F7, you have built-in filters. So this is the original. This is matcha, o diba? This is autumn. This is lime, rough, fantasy castle, o diba? Medyo gloomy. We have black coffee, mousse. This kala ko mouse, mousse. Grapefruit, blueberry, and cheese. I'm gonna go back to original. I won't put any filter. And I'll put 0 on the beauty filter. Meron ding stickers. Oh, diba? Ang cute, matic. So I can change filters. This is for photos and for videos as well. Ang cute, diba? Hindi na kailangan gumanga. Ayan. Ang dami. I like it. Ang bilis maka-fresh. Kaya kung yari meron kang hangover and you want to look cute in your IG stories or anywhere else, you just click. Okay. There are the usual features like photos, videos, and time-lapse. Let me try to take a selfie using the phone, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, and then a quick video. Hello everyone, I'm reviewing the Oppo F7. No, not really reviewing. I'm trying out the new Oppo F7 and wala lang. I like it. My skin looks real, but it's also fresher. It's like the best version of me, if that makes sense. I like it. I just wanted to give you an overview of how the Oppo F7 is based on an average techie person, me. If you want to know more about Oppo F7, I will put links in the description box below. I'll also put a link so that you can see what happened at the Oppo F7 launch. Very competitive na siya. If you Google counterparts of the Oppo F7, it's actually very competitive. If you compare specs and the quality and the performance, the price is very reasonable considering this is 64 gig. That's pretty much it for this video. If you are interested to get your own unit, also look at the description box below. All the concept stores and all the other stores are available there. Thank you so much for watching and you stay weird.